Welcome, listeners. Today we're tackling MicroStrategy's audacious Bitcoin play, genius move, or high stakes gamble. Let the chips fall where they may. We're diving in. In August 2020, something pretty wild happened in the business world. MicroStrategy, a company not exactly known for shaking things up in the tech scene, made a move that had everyone's eyebrows reaching for their hairlines. They started buying Bitcoin, a lot of it. They didn't just treat it like a little side hustle investment. They went all in as if they believed Bitcoin was the superglue that could hold their future together. Now, where's the controversy, you ask? Well, it's all about what this bold strategy could mean for other companies and the market as a whole. Imagine this: you're at a party, and someone shows up wearing a superhero costume. It's jaw dropping and sort of hilarious. But then, someone else shows up in a costume too, and then another. The message? One brave move can start a trend, and soon everyone's trying it. Here's the real talk, though. Buying Bitcoin isn't like snapping up stocks or bonds. Bitcoin's price can be like a roller coaster that only had 5 minutes of safety checks. It can climb to dizzying heights and then suddenly drop like it saw a spider on its shoe. When Bitcoin's value drops, the companies holding it can see their wallets getting thinner fast. In that scenario, it's like holding on to a bucking bronco. If you let go too soon, you'll get knocked out of the game. When these companies see red, they face a crucial test. The pressure to sell and cut losses can be intense. That's where commitment comes into play. If a company isn't ready to hold on through the market's mood swings, they might bail, causing the price to dip even more. That's like yelling fire in a crowded room. The panic can cause more harm than the fire itself. But here's the juicy bit. If these big players can grit their teeth and ride out the Bitcoin storm, they could come out the other side looking like prophets. The trend they started might not blow up in their faces, but instead become a full-blown revolution. Yet, if they fold and the trend turns into a series of financial faux pas, it won't just be a single company's oopsie. It could create a domino effect where Bitcoin takes hit after hit as each company jumps ship. So, it all boils down to a test of nerves and a belief in the future of digital gold. The million-dollar question: who's going to hold on for dear life and who's going to scramble for the lifeboats? The answer could shape the financial landscape for years to come. And that, listeners, wraps up our dive into MicroStrategy's high-stakes Bitcoin play. It's a game of digital nerve, and the stakes are nothing short of revolutionary. Will other companies follow suit, embracing the volatility with a steely gaze? Or will they retreat at the first sign of a storm? The finance world watches and waits, and so do we. If you've enjoyed our exchange of facts over fanciful phrasing, if you appreciate the straight talk minus the poetry, then lend us your support. Hit like, share this episode, and drop your comments. Each one helps us sharpen our analysis even more. Your feedback is the forge for our growth. And in the spirit of resilience, be water, my friends. Let's navigate the currents of crypto knowledge together. Stay tuned, stay informed, and until next time, this is Air Random Voices, signing off.